Hey, welcome back, guys. I want to make a quick video, basically to give you guys some options for other restorers or repairers. I put the word out a while ago and tried to locate as many people as I could that are still doing this, and I didn't get any responses. I've got two names down. They're the two that I know of. Some of the people that used to do it no longer do it anymore. I know Jim Dayton retired. He's not doing these restorations anymore, and Dave Harnish from daysrepair.com is no longer doing restorations either. And even the malt mixer man Gerald Capps, he's not taking new projects for restorations. He's got a lot of his own working on. But if you go to maltmixerman.com, you can order any parts for a good assortment of the Hamilton Beach malt mixers. He still sells parts and all that. And Dave sells a lot of parts for for not just the sunbeams, but for a lot of the vintage appliances. And for these older sunbeams, he's got the capacitors that he makes brand new and sells on there, and they're a really good deal. Excellent capacitor. And matter of fact, the machine I got sitting right here has got one in it. And other than that, choices are getting slim, but I'm trying to give you guys some more options if it's somebody that may be closer to you in your area, for whatever reason. These people you can contact. The first one is a guy that I believe he's in Montana, if I recall. He used to do a lot of restorations, on machines, and he stopped for a while, I think, due to work, but now he's going to be getting back into it. His name is Steve Lynch, and I've seen a lot of pictures of his work. I've seen comments from people who he's done work for, and they're extremely happy with him. His stuff looks top-notch, and I will put his contact information right down below. So if you're interested in contacting him, you'll have a way to contact him and talk to him about what you need done. And he doesn't do just sunbeams. I know he does. I've seen GEs that he's done. I believe Hamilton Beach. I think he'll do pretty much any make or model. But you can talk to him about that and find out and discuss process, prices, all that. And the second one that I have on the list is a guy named Scott Leaf. He's in California. So for all you West Coast people, might be somebody to consider. I know he's done quite a few of the Hamilton Beach triple head malt mixers. I believe they're the MD40 is the model number on those. His work is immaculate on those too. I mean, it's amazing work. I've never touched one of those. If I had one to do, I'd probably send it up to him. Aside from doing malt mixers and stuff, I believe he wants to, do mixers and everything as well. So, I think you'd have to talk to him and let him know what you have to see if that's something he's willing to take on or not. But if you have a malt mixer, if you have a malt mixer, send it to him. I've got one here to do an old Model 25. It took me a long time to find a part for it. But it's a part that's extremely rare. It's a bracket on the back that seems to be broken on all of them. But not that I wouldn't do your malt mixers. I've got plenty of work to do with these other mixers, so I'm more than happy to spread some work around. And if you have malt mixers, contact Scott. If you have other mixers, or anything like that, you can contact Scott or Steve and talk to them about the restorations and all that. And like I said, I will put their information down below so that you can have it. You have a way to contact them. And anybody else watching this video, if you're doing restorations or repairs or anything like that, not just mixers, but basically any small appliance, put your information down below in the comments with a description and a way that people can contact you. I'm not trying to leave anybody out. I did put the word out in a few places, the place I could think of, and didn't get a whole lot of response. So, I guess we're wrong place, wrong time. But definitely leave your information below, and with a way that people can contact you, and that way they can read through the comments, and if I see them, if I see the information in there, and I can verify it, then I will add it into the description as well with a link. So. Be sure to get your information down there so I can check it out. But anyways, I hope this helps you guys out. I hope it gives you more options, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.